Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a physical keyboard, an OS-level key repeat and modifier behavior set, and a monospace font installed. Once done, map a primary modifier, Ctrl or CMD, and a secondary one for custom actions. This reduces hand travel. Make sure to enable or disable OS features like sticky keys depending on your preference. Finally, open your editor and set key bindings to match your layout, so what you press equals what you expect. Once your foundation is ready, focus on editing fluency. Train your fingers on navigation shortcuts and build muscle memory for word and line jumps. Practice selection patterns and then combine them with cut/copy/paste so you can reshape code quickly. Next, layer in multi-cursor editing and editor-specific refactor commands. They save minutes on repetitive changes. Make sure to rehearse sequences slowly at first, then increase speed. This trains precision, so you avoid mistakes when working under pressure. To finish, optimize for speed and reliability. Create macros for common code blocks and bind them to easy keys, and tune debounce or switch to wired mode if latency appears. Once done, streamline layers so you always know which modifier does what. If something breaks, first toggle your editor extensions, then reset the keymap and test in a plain text file. That isolates issues quickly. One key troubleshooting tip: swap to a known good keyboard or profile to determine if the problem is hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.